Start by selecting the Essentials section to access core features and tools. Navigate to Training to find all your training materials and resources in one place. Training is your go-to spot for concise, hands-on lessons. Browse all available training videos, follow step-by-step demonstrations, and revisit any topic whenever you need a refresher. Switch to the 1S platform to manage or discover platform-specific videos. Easily find the right video by searching with a title, group, or keyword. Click the Add Video button to easily grow your training library. You can upload your own training recordings or add any tutorial you want. Enter a clear and descriptive title for your training video here. Enter your group name. If you type a new name, a separate group will be created automatically, and your video will appear under that new group heading. Paste your embed code here. You can use YouTube or any other platform, though we recommend Vimeo for the best experience, but the choice is entirely yours. One more suggestion. Use width = 300 and height = 200 in your embed code to keep your training section looking neat and organized. Check this box if you want the video to be visible only to accounts with admin panel access. Then hit save, that's it. Your video will instantly appear in the training section.